How to write a step-by-step business plan. A strong, well-thought-out business plan is crucial for a business's success. Without one, it's tough to maintain a vision of the future and what the next steps for your business should be. Think of it as a litmus test to prove that every step taken is part of a larger, calculated effort. Business plans are also crucial for external affairs. If you want to take out a loan, bring on a business partner, or more, you'll need a solid plan in order. Your plan should be your pitch. However, writing a business plan isn't easy, and not everyone knows exactly what the business plan should outline. A business plan typically looks out over 3 to 5 years, detailing all of your goals and how you plan to achieve them. If you're applying for a loan or looking for investors, a business plan shows you're prepared and have fully vetted your business idea. A financial advisor who teaches business plan writing classes at Southern New Hampshire University. If you have no financial forecast, which is part of the business plan, it's very difficult to show the bank how you are going to repay the loan. What's even more confusing is that no two business plans should look the same. We wrote a complete guide to show what your business plan should detail and how to write it. How to write a traditional business plan. A traditional plan typically comprises 7 sections that are each crucial for explaining a different angle of your business. The length and detail of your plan will vary with the audience of the plan and how mature your business is. You'll use a business plan to sell your business to investors, qualify your business for a loan with lenders, and more. Having a solid plan is always useful and can also keep your actions as a business owner on track. 1. Write an executive summary. As with any other piece of writing, this introduction to your plan is the hook. Why should the reader believe in your business? Sell your business and explain why it matters. Additionally, supplement your sale with a high-level summary of your plan and operating model. However, don't go over 1 or 2 pages. Feel free to include the following as well: business name, key employees, address, business background, listing of goods and services offered. 2. Write a business description. This is your first opportunity to really go into detail about your business. What's the opportunity that your business is capitalizing on? What's the target market? How are you standing out from your competitors? Highlight how your business is differentiated. 3. Market and competitive analysis. Any good business will have done comprehensive analysis of the market that it's entering. This doesn't just apply to large corporations, and your reader will likely want to see evidence of this. Here you can describe the industry and market your business will operate in, and highlight the opportunities your business will take advantage of. Did your market research reveal any unique trends? If so, this is the place to show it. Illustrate the competitive landscape as well. What are your competitors doing well and not so well? Why are you moving into this space, and what's the weakness to be exploited in the industry? How will competitors logically react? Are you going to take competitors' customers, and how? 4. Financial analysis and projections. It doesn't matter if you include a request for funding in your plan. You will want to include a financial analysis here. You'll want to do 2 things here. Paint a picture of your business's performance in the past and show it will grow in the future. Use charts and images to help make the experience easier. If your business has already been operating for a few years, demonstrate stability through your finances. But if your business is newer and not yet profitable, be clear and realistic with your projections. For example, if your sales have been increasing at a steady 5% every quarter, you don't want to suddenly assume 50% sales growth per quarter for no reason. Research industry norms and look up how comparable businesses have performed. Include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements for multiple years if possible. When showing your financial outlook, project your vision out over at least 5 years. Clearly state the logic behind your projections, and you can also tie this section back to your previous section on raising capital if applicable. But before we continue with how to write a step-by-step business plan, subscribe to our channel, Business Teacher, so that you don't miss out on any future updates. 5. Product description. Now you finally get to discuss in detail what you'll be selling or offering. What's your good or service that's for sale? This section will likely be a bit longer than the others because of its importance. Be sure to describe your product and how it is differentiated from similar ones. How will it be priced? And how does that play in the market compared to competitors? Also include a marketing or promotions plan here. You could have the best product in the world, but it won't matter if no one knows about it. Identify your target market and really detail out how you'll make that market aware of your product. What's the message you want to promote, and why does that resonate with your specific product and the target audience? How will you build awareness and retain loyalty? 6. Appendix. If you have any remaining pieces of information such as relevant patents, licenses, charts, or anything else that wasn't able to fit in organically in the plan elsewhere, feel free to include those here. Don't use this as a space as a document dump. Instead, be absolutely sure that every piece of information that goes here goes toward supporting your business plan. 7. Raise capital. If you intend for a prospective investor or lender to read this, you'll want to include a section here on your funding request. Be clear with how much you're asking for and why. You don't want to ask for a $100,000 loan or investment without a clear plan as to what exactly that money would be used for. On top of explaining what the funds would be used for, also clearly state the projected return on investment, ROI. 8. Objective statement or business goals. An objective statement should clearly define your company's goals and contain a business strategy that details how you plan to achieve them. It spells out exactly what you'd like to accomplish, both in the near term and over the long term. If you're looking for outside funding, you can use this section to explain why you have a clear need for the funds, how the financing will help your business grow, and how you plan to achieve your growth targets. The key is to provide a clear explanation of the opportunity presented and how the loan or investment will grow your company. For example, if your business is launching a second product line, you might explain how the loan will help your company launch the new product and increase its sales by 50% over the next 3 years. Business plan tips and resources. Now that you've written your business plan, here are some tips to help your hard work stand out. Avoid over-optimism. If you're applying for a business loan at a local bank, the loan officer likely knows your market pretty well. Providing unreasonable sales estimates can hurt your chances of loan approval. They know what you can expect sales to be for that type of business in that market. If you walk in with a sales forecast 50% higher than other businesses, they are going to know that you are not being realistic, and that's going to work against you. Keep it concise. All you need is 15 to 25 pages for a good business plan, as long as the plan is clear, concise, and contains all of the relevant information. Focus on the key elements of your business plan and avoid getting too bogged down by the technical aspects of your business or using too much industry jargon. You can always put supporting information or other important details in the appendix. Proofread. Spelling, punctuation, and grammatical errors can jump off the page and turn off lenders and prospective investors, taking their mind off your business and putting it on the mistakes you made. If writing and editing aren't your strong suit, you may want to hire a professional business plan writer, copy editor, or proofreader. I always feel like if the person can't even bother to proofread something that they wrote, how detail-oriented is this person in running their business? Use free resources. SCORE is a nonprofit association that offers a large network of volunteer business mentors and experts who can help you write or edit your business plan. You can search for a mentor or find a local SCORE chapter for more guidance. The U.S. Small Business Administration Small Business Development Centers, which provide free business consulting and help with business plan development, can also be a resource. Based on what we think is worthy, subscribe to our channel, Business Teacher, so that you don't miss out on any future updates. If you have more about it, please feel free to share them with us. Share them in the comments below and wait for our interesting topics coming soon. If you think they deserve to be on this list, share your opinion in the comments below.